move out so soon, as in like I get my keys for my house tomorrow. So today is the 30th of June and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Emily and I am a second year medical student because I passed my exams a couple of weeks ago. And I know that was really fast, but I'm very excited and I really want to get started. So I'm packing today. I am moving on the 3rd fully, but I am going to move into my house to like sleep there for the 1st, the 2nd as well, just so I can get like bearings and make sure I'm there, so that if things need fixing I can be there when they do. So that sort of thing, and I'm very excited and I'm very scared. So I've started packing a bit already. I've got my stuffed toys and my washing. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm going to get this bag out and empty it out. I'm going to get all the clothes out of my wardrobe and all the clothes out of my drawer and empty them out. Then I'm going to fold as many as I can, put them in the bag, put some in my wash bag that I'm like, maybe I just want to wash it before I use it anyway. After emptying the bag out onto the floor, which was a lot harder than I thought it would be, I went through my drawers and emptied everything out onto my bed, as well as everything from my wardrobe, so I could see everything and sort it all out. So I emptied everything out onto my bed, which I'll show you in a second, but all my clothes are on my bed. So whilst I'm going through them, I'm going to put some in a pile that I don't want anymore and I'm going to donate them, because if I've not worn them at all this year, then I'm clearly not going to wear them again. So I'm going to put a pile of stuff I'm never going to wear. This is the disaster that was my bed once all of my clothes were out onto it. I probably should have made the duvet first because that did contribute a lot to the pile. I then went through everything and matched up all my socks and found everything that I was missing, separating clothes into what I was going to keep, what I was going to get rid of, put all my hangers in a pile and throwing some stuff for donate and wash. It was amazing to go through everything, and I got rid of quite a few things really, and I gave those to a flatmate because she ended up really liking the top, so I didn't have to donate much. I then ran out of space in my black bag and had to pack everything into my washing basket. So one area of my washing basket was washing that needed doing, and the other two were clean clothes that I needed to put away when I moved into my university house. I then ended up with the biggest pile of hangers ever, which did have to be transported, strangely. But then once everything was packed, I had a donation pile and I got on with sorting out the things on my desk. So all my clothes are ready. I'm just going to fasten up the bag and then put the washing basket outside. So all my clothes are in my bag except these two outfits here. One's my work clothes for tomorrow and then one's my jeans, and then this is the top I'm going to wear. And that's all I've got out because I don't really need anything else. I packed all of my Officer Training Cadets uniform into this purple box because it is strong and quite easy to store everything in, and I thought it was one of the best options for keeping it all safe whilst the black bag was in use with my clothes. Once I arrived in the house, I did swap these back, and I think it was very useful for transporting it in this box. Some didn't fit and had to go in a little bag, but that's good too. I just finished cleaning the kitchen. That's done. So I cleaned the kitchen and packed my kitchen stuff. Box of kitchen stuff here, which I broke the lid to, but this doesn't fit in anyway, so I'm going to take this out, put the lid on. Got my sorting, organisation things that I put in my cupboards, and all that needs to be sorted, but I've got all my washing in my bag, all my clothes are away, and that's my donating pile, and I'm almost done. I'm really bad at filming, but I'm just going to quickly show you my room packed up. Bags and coats, they'll just go straight in the car. Then I've got some books, my bag with my stuffed toys, this jumper is somebody else's that I forgot I had and I'll go back to them. The work shoes for tomorrow morning, and then the shoes to get in the house keys. In this drawer I've got my mum's birthday present and then like underwear and socks, which I'm going to put straight in the car anyway on Sunday. And then underneath that is work clothes. All 4 of these I'm just going to straight up put in the car, the bags in the car. These bags, this one's not mine, I've got boxes, and then in my wardrobe are all the other things I just need to lift into the car, along with washing bag that I'm probably going to take tomorrow, and then under there is the plastic box for kitchen stuff, and that's it. My room is packed. It's crazy. I am moving out of my room and running things up and downstairs. I ain't half dead. I was so excited to say goodbye to my empty bedroom. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and come back in a few weeks to watch me decorate my university house and see the empty house tour.